Hey everyone, welcome back. Sometimes you start a project with one folder name and realize halfway through that it just doesn't fit anymore. While Visual Studio Code is a powerful editor, the way you rename folders is actually very simple once you know where to click. Today, I'm showing you the quickest way to do it, and a pro tip for when you need to rename a bunch of files at once. Let's jump in. First, let's look at the standard way to rename a single folder. Head over to your Explorer panel on the left side of your screen. Find the folder you want to change and simply right-click on it. From the menu that pops up, select Rename. You can also just click the folder once to highlight it and hit Enter on a Mac or the F2 key on Windows. Type in your new name, hit Enter again, and you're done. Now, what if you have a huge project and you need to rename dozens of files or folders that follow a specific pattern? Doing that one by one would take forever. For this, I highly recommend installing an extension called Batch Rename. Once that extension is installed, here's the secret workflow. Go to your Explorer panel and use the filter icon at the top to show only the specific files or folders you want to change. For example, searching for .txt. Highlight all the results, right-click, and select Batch Rename. VS Code will open a temporary text file listing everything you selected. Now you can just use a standard find and replace, Ctrl-H or Command-H, to swap out the old names for the new ones. The moment you save that temporary text file, VS Code instantly applies all those name changes across your entire project. It's an absolute massive time saver for staying organized. If this quick tip helped you clean up your project structure today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any other VS Code workflow questions, and I will see you in the next one.